Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can split a PDF file. First, search for split PDF online. You see here we have multiple links to open and to split our PDF. For example, I select this one. Click this one, select your PDF file. Yes, scroll down. That's my PDF file. It has 25 pages. Open. I can change its range, you see, from page 4 to 25, but I want to split to two PDF files. Add a range. First one from 1, for example, to 15. The second one I want from 16 to 20. That's one, and this is one. Now we have two PDF files. If I want to split it to another one, to 3. For example, I need another path which starts from 21 to 25. You see, the first one 1 to 15, the second one 16 to 20, the third one from 21 to 25. That's up to you. Okay, split PDF. Download split PDF. You see, my split PDF started to download. This one. Show in folder. That's my split PDF file. Right click, extract to here. Now we have to have 3 PDF files. You see, first one from 1 to 15, second one from 16 to 20, and the third one from 21 to 25. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.